Welcome back, data analyst. In today's episode of Python for Beginners, we'll learn basic syntax and variables. Think of Python syntax as grammar rules of a language. It what makes Python understand you. Now, let's talk variables. They're like digital sticky notes. Where you can jot down important stuff? In Python, creating a variable is super easy. As like naming it and assigning a value. Like, let's say x equal to 5. It's Python's way of remembering that x is 5. Now remember, variables in Python are like pet names. They can be almost anything, but there are a few rules. No spaces, can't start with a number, and keep it meaningful. Now let's put this into practice. Here is a simple example. We create two variables, name and age, and print them. Watch closely at the code on the screen. So here I have the code which says name equal to Alice, age is 30, and I'm trying to print hello, my name is Alice and I'm 30 years old. So I'll just quickly run the code and this is what it prints. So did you see how variables hold information that we can use and display? That's the power of variables in Python. And that's a wrap on syntax and variables. Stick around for more Python fun. Next up, we are diving into the colorful world of Python's data types.